Howdy guys, Left Click Tutorials here, and in this tutorial video, I'll be going over on how to make a main menu in a horror game, or in any game really. Now before we start off, I want to go ahead and say I got a new computer, so that's why the scene looks different. But, I mean, if you still have the your old project from parts 1 through 4, you can go ahead and use that. I just had to remake the scene a little bit. If you don't see any trees, it's because, again, I had to restart the scene. Anyways guys, let's go ahead and create a file new scene. So file new scene, save. Alright, save project, and let's go ahead and in the new scene, let's go ahead and create UI canvas. You can do this by going to game object UI canvas. Now before we even start, let's go ahead and say this: if you don't know what a canvas is in Unity, it's basically what draws the it's basically what you put in. You put like images out of it, or buttons, and it's what actually draws it on the screen. And an event system is what keeps tracks of button touch, button presses, and all that stuff. It's an event system. So let's go ahead and rename our camera menu. Just click on the name, or right click it and click rename. And let's go ahead and right click on it and click UI button. Now as you can see here, we have created a button, and when we press play, the button goes ahead and it's highlighted, and we can press it and you can see the color changes. Now let's go ahead and change the color of the button to red, the normal color, the highlighted color to blue, the pressed color back to red, and the disabled color back to red. Now open this up, select text, just call it play. Now before we even do anything, let me go ahead and file save scene and save it in the scenes folder, and I'm just gonna call this main menu. There we go. Alright guys, so now file save project, and let's go to build settings, and let's go ahead and add a current and make it on top. There we go. So now we can go ahead and add a script. So whenever you press a button in game, it runs a function basically. So let's go ahead and create JavaScript, and let's call it main menu. Now remember, you're not gonna see my scripts here because I have a new computer, and all the other stuff is in my old computer. Let me rename this button play. Anyways, I just tried to really quickly recreate the scene here. So let's go ahead and drag the main menu script to the canvas and open that up in MonoDevelop, and just let that open up. Alright, there we go. So we have a brand new empty script. Now we do not need any of these, so let's just go ahead and delete those, because remember, whenever you press a button, it calls a function. So let's go ahead and declare a new function, and let's call the function load level. And inside these parentheses, it's going to take a parameter, and let's just go ahead and do level name of type string, so colon and then string. And now the function is going to do application dot load level and level name. There we go. So let's go ahead and save that. And now guys, as you can see here, what we could originally do is we can just go ahead and do whenever you press that button, it's gonna call a function, and that function is load level, and load level is application.load level. And then in here you would be able to put like the name of the level in quotations, like level 1, or scene 1 or whatever. However, if you have a lot of levels, it would really suck to have to create a function for every single level, so you would have a function called load level 1, load level 2, and load level 3. That's very annoying. So what we can do is we can pass in an argument, or let's just call it argument for now. In these parentheses, just pass in an argument called level name. So now instead of just loading a specific just the specific level, when we declare the function, we could just put level name, save that, and click on our play, add an event, on click, drag the canvas or menu right here and click no function, main menu, load level. So remember, instead of having to create a single function for each level, we can just do this and type in the level name right here. So main world, was it called? There. So now we have many buttons. All we have to do is just change this to like credit scene, level 2, level 3, level 4, whatever. We don't have to create a new function for each level. Let's go ahead and file save, Control S, file save project. And let's press play to run this. Let's press play. As you can see here, it loads our level. Very cool, right? Let's go ahead and let's go ahead and add the function quit. So function quit game, and it's very simple. Let's go ahead and application dot quit. Easy, right? Alright, so now all we have to go is go back into Unity, and inside of Unity duplicate the play button, call this button quit, change the text to quit instead of play, and just drag it down. And now change the load level function to quit game. Where's the quit game function? Like this. Where's the quit game function? A level. Where's the quit game? Function quit game, right? Doesn't seem to be showing. It should be there. Declare it the same way. Let's go ahead and erase this, add a new click event, add a canvas there in menu. Oh, doesn't seem to be working. I think it's we don't have any errors. Alright, this is just a bug with Unity, guys. Let me go ahead and restart Unity and I'll be right back. Sorry about this. Welcome back, guys. Sorry, that was just a glitch with Unity. It's happened before. So anyways, now the thing should appear. It was just a glitch that was preventing it from appearing. All I had to do was just restart Unity. Alright, so now we have that function there. Let me go ahead and reopen the script. And now you guys might be asking, well, it shows no error in the console. However, when I press when you press quit, it doesn't quit the game. Well, that's because it's not supposed to quit in game. But trust me, whenever you export it to any platforms like PC, Mac, Linux, web player, all those really beautiful platforms that Unity has to offer, it will work. It just doesn't work in game, like in the editor, basically. That's it for this video, guys. Very short video, just showing you how basic GUI things work. We will be improving our menu in the future, trust me. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it like this. And in the future, we'll add a title, a really good background. But for now, let's just leave it like this. Anyways, thank you all for watching. If you guys enjoyed, thanks. Leave a like. If it helps, subscribe, and see you in the next video.